my god, the feeling this like, it's like, oh my god, it's ticklish feeling there. Then I'm wearing these. Oh my god, where is my one earring? I need to run behind him, he's going back. Good morning, it's day 5 and we are going for the breakfast. We have a buffet breakfast in the hotel, and I've never vlogged there, I think so. So today I thought that I'll show you a little clip about it. I'm just standing outside my hotel room and this is the view. There are a lot of palm and coconut trees. There is a pond, green water pond at the background, and then we are just going for the breakfast. You can see my husband and my baby, they're walking. They're cute. I just love them both so much. So they are ready for the breakfast. They're just walking, and my baby loves to jump around everywhere in the resorts. He likes to walk, and he doesn't let us have our breakfast together. We have to have it one by one. Lovely flowers, we call them paper flowers. We have to have breakfast. One person has to run behind him, the other has to have his breakfast. This is how we have our breakfast, because early morning when we take him down there, he will start playing around on the stairs, waterfall, everything. And right now I'm just walking down the stairs, so it may get little dark. We do have plan to go to Tiger Kingdom after the breakfast, so we'll come back and get ready later. So once we come out of the hotel, see my baby, he just puts his hands over his eyes and he'll look from down, because you know, at the moment he sees light or it gets sunny, all of a sudden from darkness when we come out, he feels the light, so he tries to cover his eyes like that. And this is the view. This is the same view that you can see from my hotel room. So we are just down, our room is at the first floor. Like from here you can see that pink towel is my room. So from there you have here the resort swimming pool, and up there is the breakfast area. They call it Dala Cuisine, and there are a lot of people here. I don't know, they're all wearing same kind of t-shirts. So this is how the resort looks. Then there is light music going on. There is the waterfall here, small waterfall that I like the noise and everything. They have beautiful palm trees, and then this is their vegetable garden. They have few stuff in there, and right now they are gardeners, so they are just doing their own job. This is how everything looks. This is just close to the reception area, sitting place, and we are just going to the reception. Via the reception we will be going to the breakfast area. So this is how it looks. This is actually the main entrance of the resort, and this is the reception area. Beautiful people, nice people, and this is how everything is. And this is the place where my baby climbs and keeps playing in this stair. So this is kind of risky, so we have to run behind him. And this is finally the breakfast area. We have reached the breakfast area, and usually we have buffet every day. Today, like every day, they have fruits in here. You can see everything displayed here. So this is like everyday section for fruits, for people who like to have fruits. We have beautiful fruits in Thailand. They are very sweet and very tasty, not like Singapore, tasteless organic food. And we have curd, strawberry, fruit salad. Then we do have different kind of juices here, and then cereals, whatever you want, milk. That corner here, these two guys, they make eggs. So whatever kind of egg you want to eat, like you have fried egg, boiled eggs, omelette. This is the basic thing. You can get fried omelette, poached, scrambled, or soft boiled egg. So you have the options to ask him here. Other than that, you have lot of food here. You can see fried rice, nasi goreng, stir-fried noodles, and stir-fried mixed vegetables. And they do have chana dal, new belly potato. This is like their everyday kind of Indian vegetarian food. So if you want to have that. Then they have sorted potatoes with onion and baked beans. This pot here, you have all the Thai food, like you have Hainanese chicken rice, and then noodles with curry. They have this pot curries. These are very well known in Thailand. That's how they prepare and heat them. They are pot curries. So you have all kind of chicken, some gravy, I don't know what's inside there, and this is how the Thai food. And they do have some other noodles and stuffing in here if you want to eat that. Then here we have the European and continental food, like you have breads, buns, croissants, jams, butters, and you know, buns and croissants, everything there. You have Danish and cake. Oh my god, my favorite fruit cake today. And then you have baked pancake. You can just press the OK button, you get the 2 pancakes out of that. And this is bread pudding. That's a keep it every year. And this is the whole sitting area basically. They do have this Oriental Wellness Spa. It is a big one, such a huge building. And the spas are very common. Massage and spas are very famous from Thailand. So I need to run behind him. He's going back. Shonu, come back. Shonu, come back. We're going other side. Shonu, come back. We're going other side. And this is the kids play area. My baby is inside. And this is the kids swimming pool. And then you have bathing beds everywhere. You have the umbrella, bathing bed, and the swimming pool. This is the other side of the resort. This is the another swimming pool. And this is how beautiful it looks. It is early morning. It's like, I don't know the time, maybe 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. So it's just morning, not at all sunny or cloudy. You can see the mountains. You have all these palm trees and these beautiful white flowers. And then they have these more rooms here. These are the garden rooms. So you have this independent single rooms like here. It's actually a very huge resort. So you have these kind of rooms in here close to this area, and then at the back side you have the similar rooms there. So this is how it is. It is beautiful, so relaxing. You are just in the arms of nature. You have mountains, beaches, and amazing weather. The weather has been really nice since I have come here, so it's really good to see that. And it did rain for some time, like day before yesterday for some time, so it became more cool. And they have lot of cats in Thailand. You see that cat walking. So in this resort there are so many cats just walking around, but they are not wild. They are just friendly cats. You just have to make sure you don't touch them or tease them or do anything. Otherwise it's kind of good. And I'll go back and play with him. I'm wearing this t-shirt. This is Bosni. This is Bosni tie and dye t-shirt, and I'm wearing these. Oh my god, where is my one earring? Oh my god, where is my one earring? Oh my god, maybe I think when I was bringing him here. Oh, let's go check. Let's go check. I dropped my earrings. Damn. I think when I was carrying him to bring him here, it fell down. I just realized. So I'll go and check that. What I am wearing right now is this. I am loving this orange shade. These are some, this is some nail polish from Three Beauties of London, and I have been wearing it for a week. I'm so happy that it is still good. And then I'm wearing my Hawaiians, and this color is my favorite color. It is kind of matching with my nail paint color. And then I am wearing ripped jeans, like ripped white shorts, you know, this kind of stuff. The threads are out, so it's very casual wear, white short. And then I'm wearing, I know it's quite dark, I hope it's not too dark, but it's kind of evening right now, and we are going out for shopping to the local market. I have my hair up in a high bun. I'm wearing the same t-shirt that I was wearing this afternoon, but I did change the pant again, so I'm not sure if it is the same thing. And I'm wearing my footwear. And this is the bracelet from Safil that I'm wearing. And just need to do a little bit currency exchange because I need to do shopping. So so my husband is just getting it done, though it's the last day today, so no issues. But in case of backup, because I'm going to do to the local market, and you can also look around the local market here. Oh my god, the feeling it's like, oh my god, it's ticklish feeling. They have all attacked on my feet. I just had the fish spa, and the fish spa feeling is so funny. It is so ticklish. All the fishes, sucker fishes, will come and suck from their small mouth. It is so cute, and I did it for 15 minutes and I feel much relaxed. My feet feels calm. I'm done with it, but I'm still feeling that kind of feeling. Right now I'm in the restaurant and it is called Black Canyon, I think. So we have come here for the lunch, and it is in the Chang Mall itself. And I'll just show you how the ambience is. Ambience is really nice. They have nice sofas, wallpapers, nice couches, and there you can see the whole roof lighting. It's actually dim light, though it's afternoon, but it's kind of dim light inside here. And then they have their bar and main counter over there. So I really like it. It is actually nice. Food is never a problem in Thailand. I really liked it. It's got our lunch, and this is mango juice, some orange drink, and what I have ordered is fish. I've ordered fish with salad and spice mix. So this is a unique way of mixing everything. They have nuts, chilies, onions, and lemon and red pepper in this. So I still have to taste it, but this looks very delicious. And it has a fish. And then for my baby, we have ordered chicken wings with salad. They have served with green chili, so I'm going to take that off. So these wings and salad. And then my husband, he has ordered rice, salad, and chicken with some teriyaki sauce. And he is also having his drink. It's Singa. It's a Thai beer. So that's what it is. And he's taking my pictures. Yeah. So he's just taking my pictures. And my son, this is what he is up to right now. He is having his lollipop and just a box of Tic Tac mint. He just put everything in the bowl, and now he's putting one by one each piece inside the box, and he doesn't want me to disturb him, so he's just up to what he wants to do on the sofa next to me. So once he will be done with that, I will have to feed him this food. We just reached the Tiger Kingdom, so I am inside the Tiger Kingdom, and we came here by tuk-tuk. The guy is waiting, so this is behind. You can see it says Tiger Zone, so you can enter from there. Right now we just got the tickets, so my husband just took the tickets. We are waiting for the queue, and we will be moving inside. You see at the background it says Tiger Zone, so we are going to get in from there. We have taken the smallest tiger ticket because we have baby and we are scared to go with the biggest one, biggest or the medium or the whatever sizes they have. There are 4 sizes, so we have chose the smallest one. So this is the cage for the smallest tiger. One is here and the other one is lying down there. People are just taking pictures in there. So we have to queue, and then we can go in to take pictures with the smallest tiger. This is the small tiger. This is not the smallest. This is the small size. But in the other cage, the other one, these are the smallest one. We just reached the Chang Ceylon Mall. This is one of the biggest mall in Patong, and we are just at the entrance. So you can just look around the area. That's a pink tuk-tuk. How cute. And we are just going to go and do some shopping because today is the last day in Thailand, and we are going tomorrow morning back to Singapore. I am at the Tantra Indian restaurant. I have come here for the second time. Last time when I came here it was raining and it was quite dark, so I couldn't get my camera. I can just show you the ambience inside. They have all these couches on the floor with pillows, and they have glass tables. They do have tables to sit on chairs there on the other side, and they have a bar at the back end. They have beautiful lanterns. You can see all the beauty lanterns over there.
Lime soda?
मेरे को कुछ नहीं पानी.
Okay, yeah.
And my son is busy with iPad. Actually, he had the chicken satay. On the way, we bought him from a restaurant chicken satay. So he had one full chicken satay. So that's fine. He is done. He said he may eat little bit from us, but basically he is set for the day. He had his chicken satay as dinner, and he did drink mango juice and all that. And my husband is with me, and I just wanted to show you the beautiful ambience. This is me. So this is our last dinner in Hong Kong. We are traveling tomorrow morning to Singapore, and that's it. This is what we ordered for dinner. This is butter naan. This is kadhai chicken, and this is all the pickles that they serve in the hotel. We are going back to Singapore today, and I am at the Phuket International Airport. I will just show you around how the airport looks. You can see the shops in there. That's the security guy. The people are sitting around. There are some shops. They do have one duty-free shop where you get all the cosmetics and liquor. Not very huge, but still good enough. And then you have some Thai massage shop and some just beverages and eatables, and they have these all gates in here. And this is basically how the airport looks. My gate is gate number 6. So that's what it is. And I do have my baby stroller, so I will take it till the airline gate and then just give it to the guy so that I can collect it at the airport. This is the bag that I carried for the travel. This is my backpack, and this is the only cabin bag that I have, so not much luggage. And this is just the chicken nuggets that I just bought. Sorry, I just bought the chicken nuggets for my baby, and I did buy some juice at the airport. This one is the I just forgot, it's a grape juice, and I also bought a pineapple juice that he is drinking right now. So just for the airline, or just whenever he wants to drink it. And the chicken this thing is called khao pat. This is a Thai rice with some choice of chicken, with some it's like a jasmine rice with your choice of chicken